Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Arena AI tool. You can open this website arena.ai, and after that make sure that you have selected this option video, as well as you can easily select the image option. You need to accept these cookies. You can also upload reference image. After that you need to create a free account to create the video. For example, let me type here create a video for flying taxi. Now if I click on this button, it will ask me to create a free account. Click here, continue with Google. Now you can select your Gmail account. Let me scroll down and click here, continue button. Now account is created. Here you can select the video option. After that click here, and here you can see it has started working on it. So you will get two separate videos. Videos are generated. Now we can play any of the videos here.
Approach vector locked. Estimated arrival in 2 minutes. Thanks. Smooth.
Okay, these are the 12 seconds videos. That looks great. Now let me play this video. On the top here you can see this button. You can easily save these videos in your laptop. So let me check the video size. So it can be almost 10 MB. So this one is the perfect tool that you can use to create different type of videos.